Hi everyone, today I brought you this cable management tray. It's very convenient, and if you have like a lot of stuff that you need to organize and a lot of cables, this is very nice and convenient. It comes disassembled, but this is the side where you are going to install it on the desk. But let's install this on the tray first using the screws that it came with it. You can use these, it comes with it. It's a Velcro to put the cables together. You can also use this to fix them on the surface where you want it to dangle. So let's do that, and I'm going to show you the final result. So we have these openings from the side. We can put it from here and then put the cables from here, and when you close it like that, it just closes. Look at this, very elegant and very nice. And I have used this little Velcro here to put them all together that it came with it, and that's it. You also have a little opening from this side, so you can put more cables from this side if you needed to, of course. And if you need like to let the cable out, so you have these two little openings from here so the cables can come out and connect to your devices. I hope you like it, and thank you for watching.